Configuring Semrush projects is a crucial step in unlocking the full potential of this powerful tool. To get started, first log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Projects tab. Here you can create a new project by clicking on the plus button and selecting the type of project you want to set up, such as an audit, competitor analysis, or technical SEO audit. Next, enter the domain name of the website you want to analyze and select the target location and device type. This will allow you to tailor your analysis to specific geographic regions and devices. You can also set up tracking for social media profiles, Google Analytics, and Google Search Console to get a more comprehensive view of your website's performance. Now, let's move on to setting up the audit tool. This involves selecting the types of issues you want to scan for, such as broken links, duplicate titles, and meta descriptions. You can also set the crawl depth and frequency to control how thoroughly and often Semrush crawls your website. Another key feature of Semrush projects is the ability to track competitors. To do this, simply enter the domain names of your competitors and Semrush will analyze their websites and provide insights into their strengths and weaknesses. You can also set up alerts to notify you of any changes to your competitors' websites. Best practices for configuring Semrush projects include regularly reviewing and updating your project settings to ensure they remain relevant and effective. It's also essential to monitor your project's data and analytics to identify areas for improvement and track the success of your SEO efforts. By following these steps and tips, you can unlock the full potential of Semrush and take your SEO strategy to the next level. Remember to stay focused on your goals and continuously monitor and adjust your project settings to achieve optimal results. With Semrush, you can gain valuable insights into your website's performance and make data-driven decisions to drive more traffic and revenue.